Make a great choice today with the 2021 Corsair. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel, compass. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.